Hi, welcome to the Restro POS Restaurant POS System demo. Today, we'll show you how our system streamlines order management, billing, and kitchen coordination. Let's get started. Before taking an order, let's log into the system. The default login password is 123. After logging in, if the session is not open, the system prompts for opening cash. Enter the initial cash amount to start the session. This amount will be considered while calculating the closing session balance. Once entered, the system navigates to the home screen. The home screen provides multiple options such as quick sale, rooms, dashboard, orders summary, delivery, drive-through, and kitchen. We will now navigate to the rooms section, where all available rooms are displayed, including options like takeaway, dine-in, and delivery. Now let's focus on takeaway. In this mode, a customer walks in, places an order, and picks it up once it's ready. Unlike dine-in, there is no table assignment, just a smooth and quick pickup process. To begin, we click the New Order button, select a category, and choose items for the order. Now let's select the Starters category and choose Beef Slices Tawa. On the top right of the screen, you can see the item price displayed as $16. Now we search for black tea. By typing tea in the search field, the system displays all available tea options. We then select black tea, which is priced at $1, and add it to the order. If you want more options for the order, click on the top right side Options button. Here you can see additional features like Print Bill, Discount, and Order Note. The Print Bill option prints a copy of the order details. The Discount option allows you to apply a discount. Here, we are selecting a 10% discount on the bill. If you want to add a note based on the order, you can type or select a note. Here, I'm choosing cash for testing purposes. Now, you can see the note information displayed in the summary section, along with the complete order summary. If you want to change anything at the item level, you can use the More Options button on the right side of the item in the cart. Clicking this button reveals additional options, such as Void Item, Kitchen Note, Change Quantity, and Change Price. The Void Item option allows you to remove an item from the cart. The Kitchen Note option allows you to add a note for a specific item. For example, if a customer requests less sugar in their black tea, you can enter this as a kitchen note. You can either type the note manually or select from a predefined list of options. If you want to change the quantity, click on the Change Quantity button in the Item options. Enter the desired quantity, click OK, and the system will update the quantity while recalculating the total amount and applicable tax. However, if the item has already been sent to the kitchen, quantity changes will no longer be possible. If you want to change the price, you can click the Change Price button, enter the new price, and confirm. The updated price will be reflected in the order summary. Now click the Order button to send the order to the kitchen. Based on the assigned kitchen printer for each item, the kitchen will receive the order accordingly. Kitchen settings can be modified in the menu item configurations. Once the order is sent, the system navigates back to the previous page, and the order is listed under Active Orders. To make changes or settle the invoice, click on the specific order from the list. Now click on the last order and you will be taken to the order screen. Here you can review all the details of the last order, including kitchen notes and any item level modifications. After proceeding to payment, click the Payment button. Here I am making a partial payment of $10 using a credit card. To do this, click Other Payment, select Credit Card, enter $10 and click OK. The system will display the paid amount on the left and show the remaining balance. Then select Cash to pay the balance. Once the payment is completed, the system will close the payment screen, mark the order as completed, print the invoice, and navigate back to the previous screen.